what can local communities do to prepare the people locally para makakuha sila ng magandang job opportunities kahit wala silang funding? Ano po yung pwede nilang gawin to develop the people locally?
If we talk of local development, I think the major responsibility is with the local government, because this is the formal setup that provides the direct services to the community. Because people in the national offices, their thinking is generic. But if we talk of the local government units, these are the people or the local officials who are looking after the welfare of the people, and part of that is developing our manpower to provide workers to the industries that are becoming soon. If in case, for example, we are inviting investors to our community, then the local government should be able to work with different institutions, public or private, so that our people will be prepared in the coming of these industries. Because if we do not prepare our people, then we have to hire people from other provinces. So that will be the leak in terms of money that will be generated by that investment. Instead of that money be staying in our community, that will be brought to the province where the workers will be coming from. So that will not be very beneficial to our locality. But if majority of the workers are coming from this place, then that money will circulate and will create demand to produce goods and services for our people. So that will create activity that will produce perks, and movement of money is good for the economy.